takes the Moon to circle the Earth, measured from 1 perigee, the closest point in its orbit to Earth, to the next, 27 days, 13 hours, 18 minutes, 37.4 seconds. Perigee, the point in the orbit of the Moon or a satellite at which it is nearest to the Earth. The length of time it takes the Moon to pass through one of its nodes, where it crosses the plane of the Earth's orbit, and return to it, 27 days, 5 hours, 5 minutes, 35.9 seconds. A lunar node is either of the 2 orbital nodes of the Moon, that is, the 2 points at which the orbit of the Moon intersects the ecliptic. Ecliptic, in astronomy, the great circle that is the apparent path of the Sun among the constellations in the course of a year. The full moon shines with a magnitude of -12.7, but the Sun is 14 magnitudes brighter, at -26.7. The ratio of brightness of the Sun versus the Moon amounts to a difference of 398,110 to 1. So that's how many full moons you would need to equal the brightness of the Sun. Though a satellite of Earth, the Moon, with a diameter of about 2,159 miles, 3,475 kilometers, which is bigger than Pluto. The Moon is a bit more than 1/4, 27%, the size of Earth, a much larger ratio, 1:4, than any other moons to their planets. Scientists have suggested the impactor was roughly 10% the mass of Earth, or about the size of Mars. The Moon very likely has a very small core, just 1% to 2% of the Moon's mass and roughly 420 miles, 680 kilometers, wide. The average composition of the lunar surface by weight is roughly 43% oxygen, 20% silicon, 19% magnesium, 10% iron, 3% calcium, 3% aluminum, 0.42% chromium, 0.18% titanium and 0.12% manganese. Orbiters have found traces of water on the lunar surface that may have originated from deep underground. They have also located hundreds of pits that could house explorers who remain on the Moon long term. Daytime temperatures on the sunny side of the Moon reach 273 degrees Fahrenheit, 134 Celsius. On the night side it gets as cold as -243 F, -153 C. The Moon's gravitational pull may have been key to making Earth a livable planet by moderating the degree of wobble in Earth's axial tilt, which led to a relatively stable climate over billions of years in which life could flourish. The last total solar eclipse visible from the United States happened in August 2017. The next one will take place in April 2024. But the moon's axis is tilted by only about 1.5 degrees, so the moon doesn't experience noticeable seasons. This means that some areas are always lit by sunlight, and other places are perpetually draped in shadow. In 2019, the administration led by President Donald Trump announced that it was directing NASA to work on returning humans to the moon by 2024.